लेकिन सबसे पहले एक मैनेजमेंट से बातचीत करनी है उनके नतीजों पर, कारोबार विस्तार प्लान्स को लेकर। श्रीराम प्रॉपर्टीज ने चौथी तिमाही के नतीजे जारी किए हैं। बिक्री में मजबूत ग्रोथ देखने को मिली है, लेकिन लागत बढ़ने के कारण मार्जिन्स पर दबाव देखने को मिला है। नतीजों पर विस्तार से बातचीत करने के लिए कंपनी के एमडी और चेयरमैन एम मुरली हमारे साथ जुड़ गए। मिस्टर मुरली, स्वागत है आपका 18 आवर स्वदेश पर। अपना समय देने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। ऑफकोर्स नतीजों की अगर बात करें, ऑन सेल्स फ्रंट नंबर्स पॉजिटिव नजर आ रहे हैं। मुनाफे में भी इनफैक्ट हमने देखा है कंपनी घाटे से मुनाफे में जाती हुई दिखी है, लेकिन मार्जिन्स पर हिट लगता हुआ दिखा है। इनपुट कॉस्ट प्रेशर, एक्सपेंसेस लगातार तमाम सेक्टर्स को परेशान कर रहे हैं। आपको कहां से वीकनेस दिखी, कहां से इनपुट कॉस्ट प्रेशर आया जिसके चलते मार्जिन्स पर ये हिट लगा है?
Good morning. Thank you for hosting me here. I would like to place that we had a fantastic year FY22. We finished the year with a sales volume of close to 3.8 million square feet, with an EBITDA of about 185 crores, with a PAT of about 17.7 crores. So year has been phenomenally good for us. We have achieved, good success across all areas, whether it is a sales volume or collections or construction output or EBITDA or PAT or even reduction of debt. So we have achieved tremendous volume. And also on the mix, good mix of development management, close to about 30% of our projects last year came from the development management, and plotted as development has contributed a little bit. So things are looking very, very good now. You talked about the cost pressure. As you've seen that Government of India has taken a lot of great initiatives in keeping the cost in control. Steel price already come down quite a lot now. So I expect further reduction on steel and cement prices, which will help us to manage the cost pressure as we speak today. FY23, we have a great projection for FY23, and here we started very well the first 2 months time. Now we are looking at aggressive growth. We expect to do about 4.5 million square feet with about over 2,000 crore sales volume. And our growth trajectory is likely to be phenomenally good. We expect to achieve 25% CAGR for the next 3 years time. And not only that, on the profitability is going to be much sharper rise in FY23 is what we expect.
बिल्कुल मिस्टर मुरली, दो चीज़ें आपसे समझना चाहूँगी। 90% ऑफ योर पोर्टफोलियो इज इनटू अफोर्डेबल एंड मिड हाउसिंग सेगमेंट। क्या आप इसी सेगमेंट को केटर करेंगे या फिर लग्जरी हाउसिंग की तरफ भी आपका फोकस आगे चलकर बढ़ सकता है? और दूसरी चीज़, साउथ इंडिया मार्केट पर आप लगातार फोकस कर रहे हैं। अगर आपके कॉम्पिटिशन, आपके पीयर्स की बात करें, साउथ इंडिया मार्केट से बाहर जाकर मुंबई मार्केट पर भी वेंचर कर रहे हैं, क्या आपका भी ऐसा कोई प्लान है?
We are not planning to venture into Mumbai market. We will continue to focus in South Indian markets, and Calcutta is another city where we have got a leadership position today. We are in the top 5 in Calcutta market, so we would like to focus on these markets where we are operating now. And Hyderabad we are launching now this month. This quarter we are launching Hyderabad new extension. So Bombay we are not looking at this point of time. Our view is that the opportunity what is prevailing here in the markets where we operate is something phenomenal. Last year, as you've seen, 3.8 million square feet to 4.5 million square feet. We would like to grow to about 6 to 7 million square feet in the next 2 years' time, which is possible from our known core markets. Hence, we would continue to focus on these markets. And we will not get into luxury segment. Luxury segment has done well during last year because of COVID. But as you've seen, luxury segment has got plus and minus. Whereas mid-market and affordable housing, there will be a continued demand, whether there is a recession, whether there is a COVID, whether there is a inflation, whether there is a global issue. The demand for affordable and mid-market will continue to, only go up as we seen in the last 20 years. I expect next 10 to 15 years time, the demand for mid-market and affordable housing will continue. Hence, I'm bullish. We should stay focused on where we want to be.
Appropriately said and explained, Mr. Murali. Quickly, आपके डेट स्ट्रक्चर को मैं समझना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि आपके डेट में लगातार हम गिरावट देख रहे हैं, विच इज़ अ गुड साइन। कब तक आप डेट फ्री होने के बारे में सोच रहे हैं और किस तरह से आप अपने डेट को फिलहाल हैंडल कर रहे हैं?
We are one of the lowest debt equity ratio company in real estate industry today. We could be in the top 3 in terms of the lowest debt what we have in real estate space. And further, again, our approach towards business is that this is a very capital intensive business and it's a cash flow business. You should not be having too much of debt. If you have too much of debt, that alone will kill you. Hence, we right from the day one, we focused on very light debt, only on working capital and construction finance we taken. That also now the cash flows are, from the project cash flows in the next 18 months time, we expect all the debt to go out of our books. So we could become debt free in the next 18 to 24 months time from the project cash flows today. So some of the projects are nearing completion. So all that will help us to move away with the debt on Sunflora. So it's a very positive sign today. And also the cash flows what we are generating now, which will also help us in pushing a further bigger growth.
बिल्कुल मिस्टर मुरली, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए, सवालों के जवाब देने के लिए और आने वाले क्वार्टर्स के लिए आपको ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। तो चलिए यहाँ पर श्रीराम प्रॉपर्टीज के मैनेजमेंट से हम उनके कारोबार विस्तार प्लान्स और नतीजों को लेकर विस्तार से बातचीत कर रहे थे, लेकिन क्विकली हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स की तरफ चलते हैं, उनसे टेक्निकल मार्केट